How to clear cache files on Android. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear cache files on your Android device. If you don't know what that is, cache files are basically a collection of these files of the same types that are stored or hidden in an inaccessible place. So you cannot retrieve them whatsoever. They are hidden somewhere on your drive and they take up a lot of space on your drive. So that might include saved pictures, files, or other scripts from the app so that you visit frequently so that you don't have to download those files again every time. They will be stored as cache files. Now, how to delete them? First, you just have to open your settings and then scroll down to get to your app drawer. Now, once you open your app settings, it will list out all of the apps on your phone. And then in order to clear your cache, what you can do is just tap on this app, the specific app that you want to clear cache from. Tap on storage, and then here you can see it only has 2 megabytes of cache. You can just tap on clear cache. Now, if I go to some other app that might have more cache files, so if I just go down and find Instagram right here and go to its storage, as you can see, it has almost 400 megabytes of cache. So you can just tap on it and all of these files are now removed. But eventually they will store up and increase your storage again. So you will have to do this time to time. It will help you to boost the speed of your device. So if you want to see all of the system files as well, just go on this list at the top and filter. So you can choose to show the system apps as well, so it will increase the number of apps, but I don't recommend you doing that. Just do the apps that are installed by you and clear the cache from these apps. Just tap on them, go to their storage, and just tap on clear cache, and it will clear out all of those unnecessary files. I hope you found the video helpful. If so, please hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.